As yesterday was 8th of March, the Women's Day, in relation to that, I would like to highlight an issue which is affecting a lot of women, sisters, and the families. The issue is, as we all know, the divorce rate and the separation rate, the talaq rate is getting higher on the day by day, on the daily basis. One of the core reasons I believe that we spend a lot of energy and the efforts on the wedding day, like wedding itself, like look for a good jewelry, jahez, furniture, the wedding hall, beauty parlor, clothing, and all those materialistic things. And we need to ask this question: do I spend half of the efforts on my marriage life to prepare myself for my life partner, to prepare myself to my coming generation? I need to ask this question. We need to ask this question to ourselves. Will I be a good parent? Will I be a good life partner? Do I am prepared morally, religiously? If the answer is no, then what we are waiting for? We need to prepare ourselves to save ourselves.